Today we're going to be showing you how to install WordPress on Hostgator's shared hosting platform. To get this started, you're going to want to log into your control panel, which you can do one of two ways. Initially, when you signed up for Hostgator, you should have received a welcome email that will contain some information about your account. And there's a link inside that email that you can click to access the control panel, and that email also contains your username and password. The other way you can get to the control panel is by going to yourdomainname.com/cpanel and hitting enter, and it'll prompt you for the login information. After you're in, go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to want to focus on the bigger boxes on the middle here. You're going to see one titled Software and Services. Inside that, you're going to see a bunch of little icons. You're going to want to click on the Fantastico Deluxe icon. And after that loads, you're going to see over on the left-hand side, there's a section titled Blogs. Inside there is WordPress. If you click on that, we can get the installation process started. If you already have any existing installs on any add-on domains or subdomains, it's going to show you down in this area under Current Installation. But we're doing a new installation today, so we'll click on that link. And the first thing you'll see here is Install Location. If it's your main domain you signed up with Hostgator for, it's going to show you that here first. If it's an add-on domain that you've already taken care of and added on, you can select that from the drop-down here. Now, if you want to install it as a subdomain, for example, yourdomainname.com/blog, this is where you would plug that in. And if it's in the root directory, so yourdomainname.com, and WordPress shows up right away, you would just leave that area blank. Below that, we're going to set up your admin access data, and this is going to be your login information for WordPress. So you're going to want to do something that you're going to remember, but that's also secure. And we're just going to enter some demo information here. And below that, it's some additional information you need to enter. You're going to want to enter your nickname, so in my case I'll enter Brian, and you're going to plug in your email address that you want anything associated with WordPress in there, and then you'll plug in the site name. It's best to actually change this, and in this case we'll put Collect Figures because that's the name of the domain. You want to change it to whatever the name of your business is, and you may visit that down the line for search engine purposes as well. Then you put a short description after that, and click on Install WordPress. The following screen is going to confirm the domain name you're installing it on, if it's a subdirectory, and what the actual URL is going to be. And we'll click Finish Installation. And this is the final installation screen. It confirms the URL for the admin area, and it shows you the username and password one more time. If you'd like, below that you can plug in your email address here, click Send Email. It'll email you those details, so that way you have it on file or can print it out easily.